Hey, and welcome to the grant deed tutorial. This will also work for the quick claim deed, which is pretty much the same thing. It does pretty much the same thing. There's a few instances in which you might see a grant deed. What a grant deed does is if there's any changes to the people currently on title, if there's any changes that need to be done to the names, or if they're adding somebody or taking somebody off, a grant deed is what you would draw up to make those changes. That's what it does. So in this case, we'll take a look at this. In this area right here, this is where the granting is being done, if you will. So Daniel and Laura, husband and wife, as joint tenants. Now that's called a vesting. It's how they're vested in the property. They hereby grant to Laura and Daniel, wife and husband, as joint tenants. See what they did there? They just switched around who's first on title. That would require a grant deed. Really doesn't matter to us why there's a grant deed. We just want to go over it to make sure you know what it is and how to fill it out. Great. This area right here, this is called the legal description of their property. Really doesn't mean anything to us or the borrower, unless they're really into that kind of thing. Sometimes these are 1 pages, sometimes they're 2. In this instance, it's 2 pages. So on the second page, you're going to have them sign exactly how their names are printed below. And then they've pre-filled in an acknowledgement for you to fill out, so you're just going to fill all this out, sign it, put your stamp on there, and then you're all done.